And here are my current Lux pendulette clocks ticking away. I like winding them up every so often. The 30-hour clocks. Now the Lux pendulette clocks typically have the keyhole at the 6 o'clock, and the Keebler pendulette clocks typically have their keyhole at the 9 o'clock position. Now, I think there is an exception to that, and with this one, the bird wasn't on there. I ordered a bird. They don't give you a wide enough piece of metal that has to bend over the lever, so I took some blue tape, wrapped around the section that's sticking out, and then stuck the bird on the part that comes out of movement. I glued it at one time and it came undone, so this time blue tape. But I still have a couple that I have to repair. I bought some of these, and I help out a friend of mine, and I drive quite a ways to go see him, working on clocks that he's having issues with, and he typically gives me clocks for me coming down there. But anyway, I hope y'all like this video. I thought there was something else I wanted to discuss. There is, so stand by. I'm gonna say this, and then I'm gonna make another video about it. If your cuckoo clock cuckoo's fine 1 minute, and then it's slow the next minute, the problem could be this 8-point star wheel is touching the movement. It might be bent, and so make sure that you have clearance all the way around this 8-point star wheel. And that's what that lever is called. So, like I said, I'll make another video on it. But if your cuckoo is acting funny, cuckoo's fine, and then it slows down, and then it cuckoo's fine, and then it slows down. We had a group member that asked that question, and come to find out, it was this 8-point star wheel was bent, and it was touching the movement, and that's why it cuckooed fine, and then it slowed down, and then it cuckooed fine, and then it slowed down. He took it away from the movement, and now it cuckoos just fine. I hope y'all like this video. May God bless each and every one of you.